everyone, welcome back to Continental Food and Cake TV. If today is your first time here, you are highly welcome. My name is Joy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cook chicken fried rice. So delicious and yummy. This fried rice is going to blow your guest's mind. As in, if you're expecting a guest and you prepare this fried rice for them, they will leave your house talking about it for months and months. To see how I prepare the delicious fried rice, please keep watching. If you're new here, you've not subscribed, please press that button where it says subscribe. Also turn your notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you're not going to miss out. Do not forget to drop your comment and give me a big thumbs up. Let's get started. Next, I have golden basmati rice, which I'm going to be using to cook the chicken fried rice. In this bowl, I have 3 cups of rice. Then I have the chicken thigh, which I've washed and chopped into bite sizes. And this is what it looks like. You want to chop it into the size. If you don't want to use chicken thigh, you can use chicken breast, but I prefer chicken thigh because it doesn't dry out. For seasoning today, these are all the seasonings I'm going to use to cook the fried rice. Here I have 1 tablespoon of chicken seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, half a teaspoon of white pepper, half a teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of minced herb, bay leaves, and non-cube chicken flavor 1. Next, I have leek 1 chopped, onion chopped 1 large onion, bell pepper 1 chopped as well, green bell pepper 1 chopped and yellow. Next, I have diced carrot and green peas, the long one. Then I have frozen peas. Next, I have prawns. I have the king prawns. Then I have the small ones. Then I have gizzard that has been cooked and fried, and I cut into bite sizes. Then I have hot dog that I've washed and cut into bite sizes. Then I have the chicken stock. With this, to get this, all you need to do is to boil your chicken and season it. The stock that comes out of it, that is what is here. Next, I have coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of butter, and vegetable oil. I'm going to show you how I'm going to use all of them, but the 3 of them add a lot of flavor to fried rice. Last but not the least, salt for taste. Next, I'm going to pour hot water into the rice. Allow it to soak for at least 5 minutes, then I'll go to the sink and wash 2 or 3 times. I have my pan in a high heat. To that, I'm going to add the washed rice. Please, you need to wash your rice very well. Then I'm going to add the chicken stock. Then I'm going to mix together until the rice is well combined with the chicken stock. After that, I'm going to be adding more water to help the rice cook because the chicken stock is not enough for me to cook the rice. When adding water into the rice, you don't want to add too much water. You want to add the water until above the level of the rice. Because with the rice, I'm going to be cooking the rice 85 to 90% cook. You don't want to cook the rice too soft. To season the rice more, I'm going to be adding non-cube half. Then I'm going to add butter, half spoon. Then add curry, 1/4 spoon, and mix together. With this, I'm not going to be adding salt because I have this chicken stock. Then I added more seasoning. Next, I'm going to cover with the lid and allow the rice to cook in a high heat for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I'm going to check on the rice. The rice has cooked and the water has dried up, but not completely cooked. It's about 85% cooked. You don't want to cook the rice too soft. Remember, I'm still going to be stir frying the rice. I'm going to set the rice aside and continue cooking. Next, I have my pan in a high heat. To that, I'm going to add vegetable oil. Then I'm going to add the chicken thigh. Then I'm going to season the chicken thigh. To season the chicken thigh, I'm going to start with salt. After that, I'm going to add some chicken seasoning. garlic, ginger, minced herb, curry powder. Mix it together until it's well combined. Then I'm going to fry the chicken thigh until golden brown. This takes between 10 to 15 minutes. After frying the chicken thigh for 15 minutes till golden brown, next I'm going to scoop it out in a plate and keep it aside for later use. Then I'm going to fry the prawns, and I'm going to start with the big prawns, which is the king prawns, and with this you don't want to fry for more than 4 minutes. After 2 minutes I'm going to flick it over and fry for 2 minutes, then scoop it out, because if you fry for more than 4 minutes it becomes too chewy. It becomes chewy. You don't want that. Then I'm going to fry the small prawns the same 4 minutes. But with this, I'm just going to be mixing and stirring it frequently, because you just have to do that. It's not like the big one when you flick it over. So after 4 minutes, I'm also going to scoop it out. Then fry the hot dog, which I'm going to be frying for 6 minutes. Frying the hot dog for 6 minutes, I'm going to scoop it out. You want to fry in a high heat till golden brown. In the same pan, I'm going to be adding vegetable oil. Then add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Add the remaining butter. These 3 together takes your fried rice to another level. I'm going to mix together until it's well combined. Then I'm going to add the chopped onion. After adding the chopped onion, I'm going to add the carrots, diced carrots, then allow it to fry for 3 to 4 minutes before adding other ingredients. At this time, I'm going to add the red bell pepper, green, yellow, then add the leek. If you don't have leek, you can use spring onion. I'm going to mix this until it's well combined. With this fried rice, you have to do a lot of mixing. Then I'm going to add the remaining seasoning. If you notice, I'm adding the seasonings as I fry. So you want to add your seasoning as you're frying your vegetable, as you're frying your chicken, you want to season it. At this time, I'm going to add the green peas frozen. Then I'm going to add the long one. Please, you want to add your green peas almost at the end of the frying, because this green peas is frozen. But if you're using the fresh one, you can add it early. After tasting, I want to add more salt and more non-cube. So in total, I'm using 1.5. Please check the description box. You're going to find the list of all the ingredients and seasoning. And if you've not subscribed, please press that button, subscribe. I'm going to add the gizzard, fried gizzards. Then I'm going to add the fried chicken thigh and also mix until it's well combined. You want to mix until it's well combined. And also add the hot dog. Look at that. Yummy. Then I'm going to add the remaining leek. If you can't find leek, you can use spring onion, but I prefer to use leek because it adds a lot of flavor to the fried rice and it stays in shape, while the spring onion is more softer. But if you can't find it, just use spring onion. Next, I have a big pot to mix everything together. I'm going to scoop in the stir-fried vegetables, scoop in the rice, then scoop in the vegetables, scoop in the rice, and mix it together. I'm just showing this for people who are learning how to cook fried rice, because you don't want to mix everything together. The rice might not be enough or the vegetable might not be enough. So to be on the safe side, you want to do it like this: scoop in vegetables, scoop in rice, and mix it together. Watch the video, you will understand it better. After mixing the rice and the vegetable until it's well combined, next I'm going to be adding some salt and mix until it's well combined. As you can see, the fried rice, everything is in proportion. The vegetable, the rice, the carrots, the sweet pepper, everything is in point. At this time, I'm going to be adding the prawns, and with the prawns, if you notice, I'm adding at the end of the cooking. You don't want to overcook or over fry your prawns. So after adding the prawns, I'm also going to mix until it's well combined. Then I'm going to cover the rice to steam for 5 minutes. This step is very important. If you don't steam your rice, the next day the rice is going to go bad. You don't want that. To stop the rice from going bad the next day, you want to cover the pot with the lid and allow the rice to steam for 5 minutes in a medium high. Then all the ingredients will come together and marry each other. After 5 minutes, the fried rice is ready. At this point, your fried rice can last for 4 days, 5 days, because you've steamed it for 5 minutes. Please, this step is very important. And you can see the rice is not too soft. It's fluffy. It's bouncing. Yummy. Everything is in proportion. Delicious. Tantalizing. I don't know what else to call it. But all I'm going to say is that please try this recipe and come back and tell me. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Thank you so much. If you're new here, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Please share this video with your friends and family, and also share in your social media handle. Thank you as you do so. Thank you so much. Check the description box. You're going to find the list of the ingredients I use in cooking this delicious chicken fried rice. Thank you so much. Thank you. Love you all. Enjoy your holiday. Love you so much. And I will see you in another one. Bye bye.